Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you POM, Page Object Model, Part 1. So before in Part 1 I will cover all these points. One is how to create a Maven project and download the required libraries, and I will show you one e-commerce website where we will practice in that website and run without any fail. Okay, so let's dive into the topic. First, create a new project here, Maven project. Once you click Maven project, we just give next, and then here a very important thing is you should give Maven archetype and then quick start and select this. Why I'm saying select this, because it has a default properties, some of the folders and everything it is default, so it is really useful to do this. So now let it be project model, page object model. Here I will create a Selenium framework. Okay, I'll give finish. Yeah, POX. Okay, maybe it's asking. I created one more thing, so that's why it is overriding, or I don't know. So I will give framework, frameworks underscore POM. Okay, so it will download. Let's wait. If your internet is very good, it may download immediately. Mine is slow. It's downloading. So give here y, enter. That's it. See here, it's downloaded. In this, now how to create a Maven project I have completed. So now how to install all the required libraries. So this is the pom.xml where we will download and save all the dependencies. So for that, go to Maven repository, search for TestNG. We'll use TestNG also. Control C, paste it inside this dependency. Okay, Control V and save. And we need Selenium, so we'll give Selenium. It will show Selenium Java. Go to here and select versions and copy this and paste it here. And you can see previously it won't be there. After you clicking pasting here, for suppose I will do Control Z. None of the except TestNG, none of the Selenium dependencies are downloaded. Now I will again paste and save. It will download all the Selenium libraries. So this is the use of Maven. It's very, very important. I love the Maven projects. And then we'll go to WebDriver Manager. We use WebDriver Manager to control the Selenium versions. Some people may use older versions. For the project, this may not support. So if you use this WebDriver Manager, what happens is, irrespective of the version, it will automatically download the. If you have a older Selenium version, it will automatically download the new version Selenium. So here in this page object model Selenium framework POM, I will create one class. You may ask why only you are creating in this test folder, because I would like to use the TestNG assertions. There is assertions called where it will validate everything. I will show you next step. So now I will give standalone application. Okay, I need main class. I click finish. So here you need to write WebDriver manager. So manage dot. So Chrome driver. Sorry, not Chromium. Chrome driver dot setup. If you do this, automatically Selenium updated version it will take. So next, normal WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. Okay. So I'm going to tell you what. So the next procedure is, you downloaded all the libraries, right? Now automate the e-commerce website. So this is one website. Okay, Rahul Shetty Academy client and login. So in this, you should register your own credentials. Okay, and I've already created my own credentials. I'm clicking login. Wait, maybe I've given the wrong password. Okay, so first we landed on page and we give them credential, and we went to cart page. We will select all. We'll have this list of cart page, and we'll compare this Jira code whether we selected one or not. Then we'll click add to cart, and once it add to cart, we'll go to cart page. Once to cart page gone, we'll click checkout, and once we check out here, we'll give India. It will show dynamically. So we'll operate this through action method. Without action methods also is possible, but I'm just want to use all the as much as possible methods. So then we'll have this confirmation text. We'll compare with this. Okay, now so you got it. Now we want to go to this page. So just go here, enter driver dot get this page. It will go to the page. Next we have to log into that. So for that, find element by dot export. I love export, so you can use whatever the your loud locator, either it is CSS or whatever it is. For me, I love export, so I will do export things. So email is the input. So // sorry, what is the tag name? Input, and attribute name is type, and attribute value is email. So I will go with that // input square bracket open thread type equal to email. Yeah, so you got 1 of 1. So you see, I click here, it is going this. So this way I'll go copy, paste it here. Sorry, you should paste inside double quotes, and then send your credentials. Okay, Now same again for password. Okay, we'll find the locator for this. What is the password? Okay, password is password. You see here. Okay, it is also one of one. We'll give same thing. My password is Shivamani, so I will delete all this. Okay, now we have to submit the button. So driver dot find element by dot xpath. What is the submit button option? Web element locator login. So I will go with log in and name. Yeah, it's also one on one. Easy. Okay, I pasted. Dot click. Yeah, we'll see whether it will log in or not. Yes, opening the application, entering passwords, clicked enter. Successful. Oh, super. Now what we'll do next? After going inside, I'll give credentials. We have a list of products, right? So first we'll see all the list. Suppose we'll see this. Anyone? Okay, this is common. And so yeah, these are the three lists. So what is the common here? This seems like common. So I'll to class I'll use this control C dot all three comments coming. Okay, CSS is working. Okay, copy this through CSS, make a list. So driver dot find elements this time because we have multiple elements by dot this time CSS selector. So dot we have to give dot or else it won't because it has a space. So now we got list of web elements. So we have to store it in one list. So first import the list. It will say okay what we can give the name here is product page. Okay, and import list. And what is the type? You should give the type. It is a web element. Done. If you observe, I don't know, while entering to the list, it is taking some time. So what I will do, I will wait. I will give a WebDriver wait. W equal to new WebDriver wait. Driver duration is I need some 5 seconds is good enough. I think 5 seconds. So W dot until expected condition visibility of web element. Okay, done. Okay, so I will paste this till this web element visible. It will wait. Okay, some 5 seconds. Next, we'll have a list of web elements. Now with product page, we will filter out. Sorry, Control C. We'll select a desired product. Okay, filter pure. I told you about streams and everything in previous lecture. You go if you don't have a watched or else you can easily chat GPT will tell you how it works. It will reduce the code instead of going find element. I mean for loop and everything. Okay. Now in this again go to find element by dot. Why I'm going because see we have a three products right. Suppose Jira code let's assume. Inside this I have to select the name of this code. So inside this right that's why I given product page and inside do the filter things and filter which element you want to filter. You want to get the text. You want to get the text. See customer user will give this text and you should match from your list right. So inside this if you click and select here there is a tag B. Okay, I will use tag by using tag name B. Inside this, there is only one tag. You can see from parent to inside this is the end. There is only one tag, so confidently I can give. And also, what we are doing, we got the um, web element. Now I have to extract the text. So extract the text. Then what you should do? You should compare with your customer's searching result. So for suppose customer product name he given Jara code 3 right. For suppose he searched this name in your application. You have to validate. So paste it there. Sorry, paste that or give the name product name. Okay. Then what you should do? You have to once you find that you have to stop or else it will go to keep on search some other things. So what you should do is find first or else give null. Okay. You got it right. The next process once this opens okay we'll run again whether it will post pass or not. Opening web page, giving credential, click login. Yes, successfully we log in and we got the page. So now inside this product, I have to click cart, add cart. Okay, so further I'll go here and select cart, add to cart. So it is showing BTW, so I will use CSS selector and oh my god, it matches with 17, so I can go with mm, dynamic XPath. So button and class btn. Okay, slash button button at the rate class equal to not class comma contains contains bracket comma btn. Oops. Yeah. Okay, btn is matching with 11, so I will go with w10. W hyphen 10. Okay, now it matches with all three products, right? Now which one I want? Second one, right? We'll see. Second one. Yes, see, it is adding. When I select this, it is adding to cart. So I'm going to here, select this, paste it here. So prod dot. Why I'm doing again prod dot? Because it is inside this only it says. So inside this I'm going to do, right? So find element by dot xpath and dot click. Okay, once it will see whether it will click or not. Open the page, put the yes when and click got successfully. Wow, amazing. Now once this is done, what we are going to do next? We are going to wait until the web element was disabled and visible. Okay, see, there is this web element is there, right? This we have to view. Okay, wait, again I will inspect. Yeah, add is there, copy, only one it is matching, which means good, we have a unique id. Until that, until it visible, we should not proceed to next one, right? Or else it will fail. Okay, so what I'm going to do is w dot until expected condition dot visibility of web located by dot. So id will give id name, control C, B. We'll wait until this is visible. Okay, and again we'll wait until it disappear. Find out expected condition dot invisible of web element. So ever dot find element by dot with id we did, right? So we'll copy this and paste it here. Now after that what we should do, we should select the click the cart, click here. There is this, it seems like unique. I will go with dynamic XPath. You have to click the cart. So button is the tag name, router link is the attribute. Okay, I will use button. First we should freeze it. Can remember all these things. Button, router link and dashboard. This will copy, paste it here. Is it only one thing available? Yes, it's only one thing. Okay, with id it is coming. So what I am going to do is copy this with id. I'm going to click. So driver dot find element by dot id is this dot click. We'll run this. Whether it will go to cart page or not, we'll check. Login super 18, add to cart super, and click cart. It didn't clicked. Why? 36. Okay, it is saying uh it's not working. Why? What is the mistake? Okay, this is attribute value. So should I say, let's not confuse. Okay, we'll dynamically will go. So slash slash button ttun button at the rate router link equal to, yep, it's coming fine. So I'm going to change this. I will use xpath dot xpath. Now we'll see whether it will click or not. I hope it should click, because until we are waiting the message do be disappear, and this time the dynamic path is powerful, right? So yes, It clicked. So dynamic is powerful. Now in this we have to see whether this product, if we have a list of products, in that we have to check whether our customer selected name is available, that product is selected or not. For that we need to do, first I will close this. Okay, once, for suppose we have number of products, will everybody's have a same product, but we need to have only one product. We have to check whether it is detected or not. So first what I'm going to do, first I will take the list. See, this is one list, this is one list, and that is one list. So here what is common, this is the common. So I will choose same dynamic path. So this time contains I will use wrapper class comma contains, contains, this is dev, right? So we have to give, not dev, it is ul ids. Yeah, so all three we got it. Control C, and now what we should do, we should compare. First let's driver dot find elements, this time not element, elements by dot xpath. See, almost finding the locators is the toughest job in Selenium. Remaining all is like a chess game. If you do this, that, it will work properly. And synchronizing also important. So driver dot by dot excel. Okay, we got list of web elements. We'll store it in list object. What we called cart page. Okay, um, the web element data is, data type is web element. Now we have a list of um, card names. So now what is next, next what we will do, by using this list, oh shit, by using this list I will filter whether the product, my product is available or not. Dot any match, any match, I don't want specific one. Okay, yes, yes dot find elements by dot, see same like how we did here. Go to here, is the product, your product, right? So you have to get the text inside this, you have to go inside this, inside this. Mm, yeah, the ht is the one, which means with the tag name I can pull tag name h3. Yes. Mm, dot get text. If it finds I, if it exactly matches to product name, that's good, it will return the boolean value. See, it is saying boolean, it will return, ignore case. So we'll keep boolean and match, we'll just checking the match. Now asset we will give asset dot as a true. So match. If it matches, it won't print anything. If it is not printing, if it is printing something, then there is wrong. We'll see whether it will match or not. Going to page, giving credential, logged in successfully, going to cart. Good. So, is there any error? Yes. Yes, there is an error. You know why? Because when we select, or suppose um, you are in home, okay, when you click order, it is taking time and it is selecting, everything's done. But when you select cart, 1 2 3, see, 3 seconds it took, 3 seconds time it taken. So what we can do is we will wait till some will give same expected conditions, all this visibility of this one. uh, we'll copy this by locator and paste it here. Yep. Now if you run, obviously it will pass. I have a confidence. Let's try. Because Java is very fast. Synchronization is the toughest job you are facing here. Okay. Super. None of the errors came. Good. We'll go to next. So now here what is next? Hmm, next thing what we should do is click on the checkout page. For this, go to here, click checkout, button type. Do we have a correct one? We'll see. Hmm, this time I will use same contains will use. Okay, btn is there. I'll copy this btn and paste it here, and button, instead of ul I will use button. Oh my god, 1 out of 8. Maybe this is the last one, I think. We'll see. Yes, this is the last one and it is the eighth one. So we'll copy this and we'll click that driver dot find element by dot export, click checkout page. Yep, now we click the checkout page. What is next? Next we have to go to this box. For that, go here, select here. There is a select country. So which is unique? Input. Yeah, it contains, again will take input, control C and paste it here, and instead of button, input. Oh my god, total 6 we have. So what we can do is, which one this is? Sixth one, I think. Let's try it out. Yes, this is sixth one. So now what I will do, copy this, go here. I want to do the actions. action. See this dynamic entering and all, it is actions methods is the easy one. So action a equal to new action. Did I select interface? Yes. WebDriver and duration. I can say, wait a minute. Why I need this? We'll check. Yes, this is enough. Okay. Now a dot send keys. We have to send the Indian, right? So these send keys are two types. One is WebDriver targeted, and in that we can give. So here, what we should do, we should give target our element driver dot find element by dot xpath, where we copied that one we paste, and what we should paste, country name, country name, right? So that is a string, so we'll give that string name equal to India, right? You may give smaller and bigger one, but exactly the user may not give, right? So that's why I am using action methods. When you, irrespective of the in case, if you enter India, uh, it will you should actually India you should do particularly, but we are doing a POM object model, so it's irrespective of the case, we should go to a list of this drop down list, and then we should select our desired country. So that I am going to do. So now what we did, we gone to that box and we given the country name. Now what is next? In that country name, you should first have the list, how many list you have, how many countries name you have, right? So you have two country names, so just click here. So this is the one. So now I am going to use class. See, input is this. I'll give one. By the way, yeah, yeah, select key drive we given and click build performance, right? So if you won't give build performance, this action method it requires, if it you won't give, it won't perform. Okay, so now uh, when it is giving the, when you enter India here, or suppose you remove 1 2 2 seconds it taken, so obviously we need to wait dot, sorry, w dot expected conditions until x expected conditions dot visibility of web element located. So I'll give y dot export same whatever I given here. I'll give this till it appears. I won't do anything. Okay, now it appears. Now we have to select the India, right? D dot find elements, sorry, driver dot find elements by dot xpath. So here we'll check to select this. Okay, button. Yeah, this xpath is working. Control C. Dot click. Okay. Now after clicking, what we should do? We should place the order, right? Once we click this, we should place the order. So to place again, we have to find that web element driver dot find element by dot export. I think I can use, we'll see. BNN. So J BNN it shows. We'll see again. BTNN. Okay, it is the only one on one. So copy this and click on that. Sorry, we should give it in double quotes. Dot click. Once it goes inside this, after placing order, we should confirm. We'll get to confirm page, right? We should confirm whether this thank you for the order is matching with our text or not. Okay, for that I will check, take this and string I'll keep string paste. Oh, actually it is caps, so I'll give caps only. Yep, it matches exactly. Not this. Exactly, it will match. Okay, next. Why? Okay, there is a small mistake. String. So now confirm text is available. Now what we will do, once we go to confirm page, we'll first take that web element. Click on here. So this is the one. In this, which one is good? Hmm, hero, primary. We'll see this. We have a class, right? So anchor is h1. Yeah, it matches only one. We'll get the text from that. driver dot find element by dot xpath. You'll get that dot text and we'll save it in one string. Confirm msg. Now we'll have a assertion assert dot equals assert equals whether this is expecting the actual value. So actual value is ours. So first what I will do, confirm message, confirm text matches with confirm message. Shit. Okay, now it should return nothing. We'll see. Okay, super. Clicking India. Here it fails. So it didn't click on um, the desired one. So what we'll do, we waited till that appears, didn't we? Okay, inspect this. So whole section TA results, we should wait till it appear. Okay, what I did, um, I didn't wait till appears. I given some other locator I think. So okay, what I will do. Mm-mm. Okay, this section is there. So section TA results I will take. Wait, do I have that TA results? Yes, I have. Till this appear, I have to wait. Wait. Con yeah, it shows both. So I will wait till that folder come. Now I saved. Now it should run 100% fine. That's what my expectations. We'll see. Click login. Okay, checked out. Selected India. Checkout page. Okay, now order came, but here it is 56. At this line, I didn't took the text. Okay, we'll wait till this page also appears. Okay, so I will copy this. Wait, wait dot until sorry w dot until expected condition dot visibility of element located by dot, sorry, here we copied right by dot this. So till this appears, we'll wait. Synchronization problem, so we have to make sure every time all whether this works or not. Placed order successfully completed. Yahoo! It's piece of cake. Now, one last time. This time, what I will do is close. See, guys, we almost written the all the code here. It is easy to do the standalone application, but it is, see, all time we are using web wait reusable methods again and again, see, until where how many times, with almost 5 times used. So these are all will we can avoid in pom, I mean page object model. So it is very helpful to maintain the code. And also it is we have to change only one element. If the developer changes any new page, brings the any new page or new feature, we have to change in only one page or one thing. I will tell you in part 2. This is a part 1 lecture. So in this part 1 lecture, I told you that this is the standalone application. From this next chapter, it will be very easy and it's piece of cake. So you will learn a very good lesson. What is the POM? Now let's run this. It will automatically run and close without any error. So we'll wait some time before closing. Some before, I mean after this comes, I know that 5 seconds, or yeah, some 5 seconds will wait. Add throw declaration. That's it. If you run this application, automatically it will open the web page. Okay, one, two, three, boom. Automatically opening the web page, going login the credential, adding to the cart, clicking India, placed order, and one, two, three, four, five. Just done. Amazing job, guys. It closed. So this is the part 1, and in part 2 I will explain actual what is POM, page object model, very simple manner. See you soon.